What's up, YouTube? I got another brand new review for you. Now, it's another weapon review. You know, I reviewed this knife from my fire department, fishing knife. And then I reviewed this one, the first knife I ever owned. So, again, if you haven't seen this one, just a plain stainless steel from China, black grip and everything. And then if you haven't seen this one, it's just a normal red fishing knife, fully fire department. You can see right there, fire department. Got a little thing to cut right there. Those are the ones I already reviewed. If you haven't seen them, they should be in my other video. Go look at them. Now I have another review. There are other knives. Two knives and a dagger. I'm going to review the first knife. This one I got for my sister. Just a regular knife. Right now it's on left, so it's safety. So I'm going to unsafety it. Okay, you see that right there? It's unsafety. It's on the right side, so it's unsafety. It's a button you press. So I'll press the button. Should come out. Press the button again. Close it. Looks like that. Hold it. Press it to the left. It should be on safety right now, so you can't open it. And I'll show you the dagger right now. The dagger is a Batman dagger. Batman. Serial numbers. Tell you it is real. Oh, there you go. Okay. The way you open it, just like any other knives. Alright, and I'm going to open the other side. Hold up, I'm scared to open it, that's why. And that's what it looks like. Also, the Batman dagger. This one was hard to find. Every time I wanted to get it, it's like 15. It's like I got it for 15. The other times I found it like 20, 60. One was almost like 80. But the regular ones I found for good prices were like 30, 40, and 20. I didn't want to get that, so I got it for 15. And then I got this for myself. U.S. Army knife. Yes, the light works on it. Not right now because I flipped it the way where you can't turn it on ever. And you flip the batteries backwards. When it shows the little circles, you can do it. I'll open it for you. Well, that's my knife right there. Again, that one's my knife. My sister's knife. This is my first knife. This is my second knife. And then we have my friend's Batman dagger because I thought of him because he loves Batman stuff, right? And I always wanted to get him something Batman, something cool, so we got that also. So we got that. This small knife. It's my sister's. My badass U.S. Army knife. My first knife. Just a stainless steel knife. I resharpened it so it's pretty sharp. And then my fire department knife. So that's my review for these knives. Rate, comment, subscribe. Look up for more reviews coming soon. And yeah, I'll try to do some reviews on my drawings because I know some people want that, so I'll be doing that. Thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day, Slazy Nation. Until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.